Welcome back to Little Pig Barbecue, everybody. I appreciate you stopping by. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment and a thumbs up. I would love to hear what you have to say. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a super easy spatchcock chicken. We're going to be using the Weber Summit charcoal grill. So what better way to spend Memorial Day than to do some cooking outside? So let's get in here and get this thing trimmed up, seasoned, and then we're going to go outside to the grill. So what we have here is a 5-pound chicken. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the backbone out of this chicken, and I've got a good pair of kitchen shears here, and we're just going to come up the back of the chicken just like this, and we're going to cut that out. You could also use a knife, but I think that kitchen shears are a little easier. So you're just going to cut very carefully the backbone out on both sides. Just like this. And it should pull right out. Now you can actually keep this and make some chicken stock out of it if you wanted to, but I'm not going to keep it today, so we're going to put it on the side over here. And then the next thing I'm going to do is take a good sharp knife, and I'm going to cut right through the center right here to break through that cartilage. Okay, that's going to allow me to flip this bird over just like that, how it opens up. Other than that, there's no trimming. You can fold the wings back if you want to make it presentable. They'll cook just like that. That's all you have to do. So let's get this thing seasoned up. Let me wash my hands. We'll get in here and hit it with some rub and take it out to the grill. All right, for the seasoning, we're gonna hit it with some of my favorite chicken rub, and this is Sucklebusters Clucker Dust. I'm sorry. So we're gonna flip this bird over and get the backside first. And I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on it, just as a binder. You don't have to use a lot. You could use any kind of oil. Just be really careful because some of these little rib bones are sharp, so you don't want to stick yourself with those. It's good there, so we'll get this rub on the back. Alright. Hit it with a good dose, nice even coat. Don't have to go real heavy with this. So that's all we're doing to the back. Let's get it flipped over. Again, going back on with some more olive oil. This is going to help with the color also. It's going to give it a good brown color as it cooks. That rubbed in real good. Back on with a little bit of rub. And that's all we got to do to it. You could use any rub again. I like barbecue flavors whenever I do spatchcock chicken, but you could do just salt, pepper, garlic. Any kind of chicken rub works really nice. Even salt, pepper. I've done a salt, pepper chicken before and it turned out good. So we're going to get out to the Summit. I've already got it fired up. We're cooking it at about 300 degrees today. That's going to get the skin right where we want it. Nice bite through skin. Pretty quick cook. If you're crunched on time, I suggest a spatchcock chicken because it cuts your time down a lot. So we're going to be doing some applewood smoke today. It's going to be awesome. It smells awesome outside already. So stick around. We'll come back outside of the grill in just a minute and put this baby on. Okay, we're out here at the Summit. It's about 300 degrees, which is right where I want it. I've got some good apple smoke going, so let's get this chicken on. Let some of the smoke clear out. You can see the rub looks really good on here. It's got a good color, so we're gonna lay it right in the center. I've got my heat deflector in. That's gonna give it some good indirect smoke, good indirect heat. And I'm using my Dot today to monitor the temperature. So I'm gonna stick this in the thickest part of the breast, just like that. And we're shooting for a temperature of about 165. As soon as it's done, we're gonna get it in the house. So the next time you see me, this bad boy is gonna be done. Should take about an hour and a half. So hang around. All right, it's been about an hour and a half and we're still at 300 degrees. I'm gonna open it up. Let some of the smoke clear out. And that's what it should look like after about an hour and a half of good apple smoke. Sitting at 165 degrees, which is perfect. The bark is nice. The skin should be nice and bite through. So we're gonna get this thing in the house and let it rest for about 30 minutes before we cut into it. So stick around, we're gonna get it back in the house. It should be awesome. I can't wait to try it out. All right, everybody, we're back in the house. Got the chicken laid out on the cutting board. I hope you can see the color. The color of this thing is awesome. The apple smoke really did a good job. Smells amazing. I can't describe how good this thing smells. So just to kind of recap what we did, we got a 5-pound chicken. We spatchcocked it, got it seasoned up really good with some Sucklebusters Clucker dust. We got the Weber Summit fired up today, held it around 300 degrees for about an hour and a half, and that's all it took. Didn't open the lid one single time. I have to try this, so I'm gonna get a piece sliced off here and we'll see what it looks like. I'm gonna take a piece off of the breast side, and all I'm gonna do is just kind of go at an angle and cut a little slice off here. I'm gonna get some skin so I get some of that rub. There we go. Smells awesome. Smells just like smoked chicken should smell. Let's try this out right now and see what it tastes like. This is perfect. And it's a super simple recipe. You can do this on any grill. Now, the Weber Summit is similar to a Kamado. It's almost exactly the same. So if you have a big green egg or if you have a Kamado Joe, you can do this same recipe. If you don't have a Kamado, you can do it on a Weber kettle or an offset. Doesn't matter. Just get some good indirect smoke, the wood of your choice. Hold it around 275 to 300. That'll get the skin exactly where you want it. And that's really all there is to it. I hope you all liked the video. I appreciate you all checking it out. And if you hung around this long and haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have your support. So I will see you all next time.